Got her.
What have you got in your mouth?
It's bedtime. Let's go. Back the way you came. Wow. Wow.
I need kids if I have my triplets.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Here.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
And you rub your butthole on the headrest.
You get down. You get down. Okay.
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Three, two, one. Ready or not, here I come. Really, Kimmy?
What about the pee and the poop on the floor? Who did it?
You don't have to tell me you have to say it.
I'll be right back. Move your nose.
Oh, is he joining us?
Yeah, of course. No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Chaos. Hi. Hi.
Scoot! Scoot, 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 scoot! Starbucks slid, you freak.
Hello.
posiciona, va abriendo la altura de la cintura y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir en los brazos. Ahí vemos nuevamente Ramos.
Take your laptops and electronics out the bag. If you got a hoodie on, take it off.
He looks dead big on there, doesn't he? His head look big.
What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Get out of there. You're not a cat.
Because he didn't want to be a hot dog.
Check. Aferin. Pep. Check. Aferin.
Paw. Good boy. Armani, paw.
How you already mad? You don't. You.
That was more than halfway full. Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go.
No se ande atravesando la calle, no, míreme. No se ande atravesando la calle porque me la voy a chingar.
Come here. Come here. Get your ass.
Go to your kennel. Hey, you put that down.
Gigi, that's my man. What the fuck?
What the fuck are you doing?
Bear.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yes.
Want to go to Grandma's? You gotta wait until she gets home from work.
Come on. Let's go. Oh my God. What happened? Who did it?